Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Does anybody notice anything weird going on here?
Something
Yeah,
different?
something's a little odd.
Something's
maybe.
kind of weird.
What
Hi,
could
everybody.
it be?
My name is She. I'm the owner of this bar. I am the head manager of the bar. If you want to talk to a manager, that's me. I'm the manager of Bar Lemon. My boss, Lua.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's my boss. My boss to my left.
And I'm just a regular.
Yeah, yeah.
The healer needs a drink after a long day of healing.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
We fit? I don't know.
We sell at each
Something
other's
said we
models. Are you
fit.
guys sure?
Should
Are you
I think you guys
sure?
are crazy.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
I'm getting confused too, looking at you guys. I'm like, wait a second.
I know. Identity crisis.
Oh gosh. All right, do you guys want to cheers? Let's cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Kanpai.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.